Have you ever wondered that many of the application have this rating option, on which they have these different kind of faces, and whatever you are selecting the rating color is changing on that basics. If this thing have ever come to your mind, then please stick with me for the next 5 minutes, and I'll guide you through the all necessary step, and if you haven't subscribed to Widget Wisdom, then please do subscribe to us. So let's start. So here I have an empty project. Now come to the pubspec.yaml file, and here add the Flutter Rating Bar package. Then tap on this pub-get option to get all the dependencies, then come to main.dart file and here inside the scaffold, first add the center widget, then here add the child property and here add the rating bar.builder. Then this builder function requires two things. One is item builder and onRatingUpdate. So this onRatingUpdate is a function which have a int value parameter, so this value is the current rating of the bar. So here we are just going to show a toast message whenever the rating thing is changing. So here I'm creating a toast message that will say given rating is then the rating value. Now come to the item builder, and this item builder has the two property, first one is context and second one is the index value, but as of now we are just going to use context, so I have added that. Now make use of arrow function and then here add star icon, which is usually a rating icon. Okay, then here add the red color for the icon. Now here inside the rating bar, you can set the item count. By default it is set to 5, but you can change it as per your requirement, so here I'm setting it at 7. Then you can mark the initial rating like whenever your page will open, then what's the default rating should be there, and you can also add the item padding. So here we are showing a horizontal rating bar, so add the horizontal padding, then you can add the direction, so we are going to show horizontal rating. So here add the axis to horizontal. Then if you save the code then you can see our rating bar is appeared on the screen, and by default 2 star is selected. Now let's change its value to 5 star, and you can see the message is appeared, which is saying that given rating is 5. Okay, and you can change it as per your requirement, and you can also allow half rating things by making allow half rating property to true. Okay, then you can see we can give the half rating which is 1.5, and you can make it to 0, but let's assume a case where you don't want that your user can give the 0 star. So for that case use min rating parameter and add the minimum allowed rating. Here I've added 1 so that user cannot give rating less than 1, and you can also use this sliding animation, which is by default given. Now let's make the emoji thing which I have showed you in the starting of the video. So for using that add the index parameter inside the item builder, and remove this arrow function. And here add the curly braces, then add the switch statement with the index value, then here add case that if index is value is 0, then we are going to show icon of very dissatisfied and its color is going to be red. Then just copy this case and paste it 4 more times, then here add a default statement in which we are going to return a text widget, then here just change the icon from very dissatisfied to dissatisfied and make its color to red accent. Then further for 3 star make it neutral and add the color as ember. Then for 4 star make it color as satisfied and color as green accent, and finally very satisfied with the green color. Now add the empty string inside the default. Then if you save the code then you can see our emoji thing is appeared, but rest of the 3 stars not coming. Let's see what the issue. So yeah, I get the issue here, just change the case from 0 to 2, 3 and 4. Then save the code and now you can see all the ratings are there, and remove this allow half rating thing. Now you can see this sliding animation and all the rating thing is working as it should be, and you can also increase the item size by using item size parameter, and you can see now these icon are become much larger. So yeah, that was it for this video. And if you have learned something new from this video, then please give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to Widget Wisdom, then please do subscribe to us.